This is the final touch we're adding to your online infrastructure. At this point, everything is already connected, but your site can dramatically improve its performance by implementing a strong caching system, which in this case, we outsource to Redis. Every time a user accesses your site, you trigger multiple requests to the server on Heroku, to Cloudflare, to AWS S3, and to the database. The most critical part is the database. To avoid unnecessary queries and to add an extra layer of security, our software caches the key data your site needs. This means that instead of querying your database on Supabase or on Heroku directly, your application talks to Redis first. The cached data is always ready, always fast, and your database only gets involved when truly necessary. This is the dynamic you've been aiming for all along. Clean separation of concerns, affordability, efficiency, and security, working together in the background to give you and your users the smoothest experience possible. The other good news is that Redis is also free until you actually need more memory or processing power. Now it's time to create an account with Redis. Over here, everything is way easier. We simply go try Redis for free. In our next page, we simply select to log in with GitHub, which will make everything easier for us. We wait some seconds, then we start with our setup. Let's authorize GitHub and wait for their handshake. Now Redis is preparing the environment for us. Since we used GitHub signup, now we need to create a caching database directly. We hit on New Database. Here you will see multiple options. We, of course, are going to choose the free version, especially if your project does not require more memory or power. However, it's wise to take a look to the different plans and choose the one that might adapt to your needs sooner or later. We select the free version. We give a name to our database. We recommend AWS Cloud Vendor, and the region should align to what you have chosen so far in our previous platforms. We check the details and scope of our plan. Not bad for a starter site. And we hit the Create Database. Now, we wait for Redis to create our caching database. And that's it. That was very easy. Remember that we will connect everything for you, so there's nothing else you need to do at this stage. Great job on making it up to this point. It means that you are very committed on having a strong online presence, and you should be proud with the power you hold in your hands so far. Don't forget to visit our website and YouTube channel playlists and courses so that you can get more value. See you in the next video.